what is Industry 4.0? You know that the Industrial Revolution started, which is started in the history, is it? But now onwards, Industrial Revolution has happened frequently. The fourth Industrial Revolution, that is Industry 4.0. What it is, that is described by Deloitte as, I think you can read it as well. Some highlights of this that advanced manufacturing techniques using Internet of Things, analyze. You see these are the three major terms I have highlighted. Whenever you write papers or you read papers, you start with keywords, is it? So from this definition from Deloitte, I can find these are the keywords. So quickly moving to the definition of I hope that you have gone through it, read the definition already. Okay. So to making it synopsis, and one more thing, that is wherever I have taken those slides or the concepts of the slides, I have given you the reference at the bottom. Okay. So instead of taking notes about the slide material, you can directly take the reference, or you can even, all of you have smartphones, all slides, whatever I am presenting, unless I am telling, you are free to take any photograph of it, so that you can, use the reference in future. So four major pillars of Industry 4.0 are: first, sensor-based data acquisition. I thought that I should start from here, but as Bala has already covered it, I am skipping it. So during the lunch break, I have modified my slide deck a bit, and then we can move to Internet of Things, data analytics, and last one is very important one, MFDM. Many people are telling the fourth one as automation, industrial automation. But as per definition by TCS, we use the term MFDM. Is there a difference between automation and MFDM? Please. In automation, there is nowhere human being involved. Here, machine first delivery model. So there is certainly different human being, human experts are involved within that Industry 4.0. So if we are talking about the term automation, we are ignoring any electronics engineer, we are eliminating the role of mechanical engineer, we are eliminating the role of all other civil engineering, all these things. But we never dare to do so. We are reducing, if there are 5 such electronics, I would say 5 such mechanical engineers are required, we can do it by using 2. Means more skilled employees are required than just traditional running the machine. There is nowhere the elimination of human force. Please keep it in mind that Industry 4.0 last and the most important aspect is not elimination of human, machine first delivery model. This is a very big one. It takes ideally 15 minutes to cover. So I'm skipping it. Not skipping, just the highlight lies there. So how a real product, manufacturing product gets developed. First, I think most of the here, I have seen that already most of the you are cover computer science background. Okay. So software engineering and all these subjects are still there, I believe. Software engineering and data, what we call it, forgetting. Hello? Hello? Am I audible till the end with the microphone? So fine. So product conceptualization, then product design. Next come manufacturing. Hello? Manufacturing execution. Product sales, product usage and maintenance, and product rewear. You know the problem where? Where lies the problem here? Problem is that whenever who is conceptualizing the product and whenever it is being actually executed, there is lots of stakeholders and involved. Suppose you are finding some error or in our top part at product usage and maintenance part, has done it? Is it done by manufacturing execution, or at the design level, or at the conceptual part? I am not giving you all the answers. So these are the problems lie in future, because I believe here most of the students in future, some of them at least, will work on fine. Many of you may be involved in research in IoT or IIoT or data analytics, because machine learning is a very popular word now, deep learning, machine learning, data analytics. So wherever you go, so that I'm giving you some food for thought. I'm not giving answers to all the questions. I'm presenting these are the open research areas, so that who are research scholars and who are the graduate or undergraduate or the master students, they can find out their own problem for doing at least some project or doing some PhD in future. So just understand the problem here. The problem is that I am finding that during the maintenance, I am getting some error. Who has committed the error? I am making the problem more complicated. All of you have gone through the tables, means database, DBMS